This is a part 2 follow-up video to the vanilla server with bots tutorial that I created. Make sure your realm list is pointing to yourself if you're connected to your own server on your own computer. I'm going to go ahead now and launch my server. Now that my server is running, I can go ahead and create an account. Once you've logged into your server, by default, at the top right hand corner, you have a control panel right here. You can add party bots, you can configure whether or not it's create a priest, that's like a DPS, then you click add party bot. And once you're done, you just hit close and you start playing. But what if you want to have a battleground with bots, doing PvP on Warsong Gulch or Arathi Basin or Alterac Valley with bots? Wouldn't that be cool? Well, come check this out. In the description of this video, we have a link to a Discord community. Once you're in and you have initialized, scroll down to the bottom under the gaming category, where we'll go to the WoW bots channel. In the top right hand corner, click on this threads. Navigate to spawning bots in vanilla. Once you're in here, click on the pinned messages. We have two different styles of add-ons. You can view this one, which is the default one that already comes pre-installed. Then we have this second one. And if we want to use this one instead, all we need to do is download this. Once the file is downloaded, all you do is right click and extract. Once extracted, you can navigate into the file and view the README document. The README has information. The README contains information about the GitHub, the source code, and the instructions on how to install it. In order to install it, all we need to do is copy and paste this folder into our WoW client interface add-on directory. So for that, find your client, go under interface, add-ons, and go ahead and drag and drop this into the folder. Head back to the parent directory. Now, as you can see, we got both add-ons here. So now we can leave them both enabled, but I don't recommend that, and I'm going to show you why. So now that we have both enabled, if I go ahead to my party bot control panel and I hit party bots, you can see I add some bots, but if I hit close, it doesn't close. And that's because we have the other add-on enabled. See, with the other add-on, it comes up underneath the sun, slightly cut off the screen, but this is the big party bot command panel. So this is what you can use to add alliance and horde to the battlegrounds. And then you could do full-on PvP against all bots. And you can close this out, but you still can't close out this one. And that's because if you want to have both enabled, you just can't do it. There's a bug. So you got to log out and you got to make sure to enable the one that you want to use. So now that we've re-entered with just that party bot command panel, if you wanted to queue up for a battleground, for Warsong Gulch, you know the maximum is 10 players per each side. So if you want to add a horde, you click add horde. At the bottom left, it says added level 11 horde bot to Warsong. If you want 10, you gotta press this button 10 times. Now you can just spam it non-stop and it's gonna max out at 10 anyways. So you could just spam it like 10, 12, 15 times. It's just gonna have 10. And then go ahead and do the same thing with Alliance. And then when you queue up, you can go ahead and enter the battleground. So that's all I had for this video, and I'd like to thank you guys for watching.